Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a salary negotiation counteroffer letter. What is a salary negotiation counteroffer letter? A salary negotiation counteroffer is a formal response provided by a job candidate to an initial job offer from an employer. This counteroffer typically suggests adjustments to the proposed salary, benefits, or other terms of employment. The purpose is to reach a mutually agreeable arrangement that considers the candidate's qualifications, market standards, and the employer's budget. A well-crafted counteroffer aims to establish fair compensation reflective of the candidate's skills and experience, while maintaining a positive and collaborative tone in the negotiation process. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a salary negotiation counteroffer letter step by step. Check this out. The first thing you need to write is your full name. Under it, write your home address. In this case, you need to include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. For the next, you can continue to write the date of the letter. Yes, use the format of month, date, and year. After that, write the information of the recipient of this letter. Yes, write their full name. And then, write the company or organization name. In this example is Innovate Solutions Inc. Under it, write the address of the company or organization. Yes, don't forget to include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code when you write the address. After completing these information, now you can write a salutation. Simply write, "Dear Mr. or Mrs. or Ms., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, this is an opening. Here, you can write warm greetings. For example, you may write, "I hope this letter finds you well." And then, you can start to express gratitude for the job offer. And don't forget to also write the company or organization name. Here, you may write something like, "I appreciate the offer extended for the Senior Project Manager position at Innovate Solutions Inc." After that, you can continue to convey enthusiasm about the position. If you don't know what to write, you may simply copy this. "I am enthusiastic about the opportunity to contribute my skills and expertise to your team." In the second paragraph, which is the body paragraph, this is where you write negotiation request. In this point, you can express the need for a salary adjustment. You should make it polite and formal and be careful when you write it, as this is sensitive. This is the example of how to write properly. After careful consideration of the proposed salary, I would like to discuss a slight adjustment to better align with my experience, qualifications, and industry standards. After writing your intention, now you need to state the researched average salary range. Of course, you cannot demand high salary based on your preference without any research. Therefore, do research first before you write this letter. And you can write, "I have thoroughly researched the average salary range for similar roles in our region." Now, propose a revised salary amount and justifies it with qualifications and industry standards. For example is, "And I believe a revised offer of $85,000 would reflect my market value more accurately." Mentioning the average one is highly recommended. In the third paragraph, still the body paragraph, this is where you write about your qualifications and contribution. Highlight specific achievements and contributions in the current role, in the current company. This will explain why you deserve higher salary than the company offered. Do it politely. Here is the example. "In my current role at XYZ Innovations Limited, I have consistently demonstrated my ability to lead successful project teams, resulting in a 15% increase in project efficiency over the past year." Yes, make sure the recipient understand your impact for your current company. After that, emphasize the value of yourself, the ones that you will bring to the new position. Here, you must sound convincing. Make sure the sender knows that you are such a good asset for their company. And you may write something like, "I am confident that my skills and experiences will bring significant value to Innovate Solutions Inc." and I am eager to contribute to the continued success of the team. In the fourth paragraph, which is still in the body paragraph, you can talk about flexibility and benefits. It means, you need to express flexibility in negotiation. If you don't have any idea what to write, you may simply copy this. I am flexible and open to finding a mutually agreeable salary that reflects both the company's budget and my contributions. So it is a win-win solution for both parties. And then, mention openness to discuss benefits. They are such as flexible work hours or professional development opportunities. And here is the example of how you write it. Additionally, I would appreciate discussing any benefits, such as flexible work hours, or professional development opportunities, that may be negotiable. And for the fifth paragraph, you can reiterate excitement about the potential role. Make sure the recipient knows that you are excited for this position. For example, I am excited about the prospect of joining Innovate Solutions Inc. and contributing to its ongoing success. And write also how the salary you demand will bring mutual benefits for both parties. You may simply write, I believe that an adjustment to the salary will ensure a mutually beneficial partnership. In the sixth paragraph, now you can continue to express your eagerness to discuss the matter further. Don't forget to thank the recipient first in order to do that. Here is the example. Thank you for your understanding. And I am looking forward to further discussing this matter with you. You can then mention for a meeting or call for further discussion. Just like the example, you may write, please let me know a convenient time for a meeting or call to address this negotiation. And for the last paragraph, which is the closing, you need to show formal closing expressing appreciation. Thank the recipient once again. For example is, thank you for considering my proposal. And then, show your eagerness once again. This will make your letter gives good impression. You may write, I am eager to bring my skills and dedication to Innovate Solutions Inc. And finally, you can close the letter with sincerely or best regards. Add your signature, and write your full name under. Sure, you can also add your contact information as well. So, that's how you write a salary negotiation counteroffer letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.